Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix cannot get mail the mail server not responding error. How to fix it? So first, ensure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Disable any active VPN connection. Go to settings. Go to general. Scroll down and tap on VPN and device management and turn off VPN. The second fix is to reset mail app settings. Go to settings. Scroll down and tap on apps. Tap on mail app and tap on mail accounts, toggle the mail switch off and then turn it on again and turn it on again. Now the third fix is to reboot your phone. First what you have to do, press volume up button once, down once, hold the side button until the Apple logo appears and reboot it. To reboot there is a second step. Go to general and simply scroll down and shut down your device. Now the next fix is to delete the account. Go to settings, go to apps, go to mail, and in mail, go to mail accounts and delete your account and add it again. Add your accounts again and try to see if the problem is fixed or not. So that's it. That's how you'll fix your mail problem.